Mm, Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Depending on which country you are, from where I am in South Africa, it's afternoon right now. So, guys, as you can see, these are my goats. These are my goats. I just bought them recently. I want to start goat farming because I love goats. So, guys, I want your help. I want your help on what should I improve, or what should I do to improve or to be successful in goat farming. I just bought those goats recently. I only have one ram, of which is this one. This is the male one, and the other 4 are females, and 2 females are pregnant. Those ones there, both of them, they are pregnant. They are about to give birth very soon. So guys, I need your help. I need your help. Comment and tell me on what should I improve: the housing, the food, yeah, on everything that can help me to improve and help me to multiply my goat very fast and quickly. So your comment will be very appreciated. Thank you.